Hi guys, Ashley here, and I'm back with some more quick and easy Christmas gifts. We are doing Stovetop Potpourri today. So you can do this in a mason jar. I am choosing to do this in a baggie. One, because this is cheaper, and two, this orange is like the size of my head. It does not fit in any of the mason jars I have here, so we're using a bag. So this is really nice too. You can use the bag, and this one is really pretty, has snowflakes on it. So we're just going to put this all in the bag. If you had the mason jar, you just put it all in the mason jar. You have to make this pretty close to when you're giving it to the person because you're putting fresh ingredients in it. So 1 orange. This is a ½ cup of fresh cranberries. 4 cinnamon sticks. Tablespoon of whole cloves. And then, such a little amount, yes, in there. Okay, an 1/8 teaspoon of nutmeg. Just ground nutmeg. So this is all it is. I'm gonna fancy this up and I'll put the directions on it. It's always nice to give it with directions. I kind of do it in like a little poem form. It says Merry Christmas and all that, and it tells them what to do with it. This stuff smells amazing. Oh my goodness, people love this. And oh my God, it took like what, 2 seconds? When you give this to someone, they're like, what? And then they make it at home, and oh my goodness, let me tell you, they call you like, I made that potpourri, it's amazing. So I'll fancy this up and I'll put it in the picture at the end. So thanks for watching. If you're enjoying what we're doing with these quick and easy Christmas gifts, subscribe to my channel and you'll see more.